Alright, YouTube. I guess I'll just start it up in the shed here and just let the exhaust go out that way. But, if it's real loud, I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do, but, I think that'll give you the best sound out of, here. So, I don't know if you guys can see that well. I'll just put it. It's a good spot. Alright, this might be a little loud, but hopefully it's not in gear. Pretty quiet. Sounds like a newer bike. Put it off here. And hopefully that was a good picture out of my shed here. If it was loud or not. I mean, I think it sounds pretty good, but it's quiet. That's the only thing that matters to me. I'm not a fan of loud, except for pulling tractors. Tractors, I think, should be the only loud things beside Harleys and trucks. So, I mean, I think it sounds pretty good. It's quieter than a lawnmower at idle, but I mean, kind of looks cool on there because it looks like you plugged up your muffler, but you didn't. So, I mean, that it was just smoking a little bit. It was actually steam because it's still wet from a little rain that was outside. But my other video explains the super trap exhaust, so I won't go into that. But that's about it, YouTube. Super trap exhaust on a Honda 185 XL S.